Hi, this is your iced tea. This is your hot tea and an extra cup of ice.
Thank you.
Miss, you've been here for about 8 hours and it's peak hour right now. We don't really encourage sit hogging.
Oh, but I haven't finished my drinks. Hey, Ben, drink this.
Thank you, mommy.
So hot!
Aiyo, where got hot? Not hot what? Drink. Hurry up. Good for you.
A real upper class lady never leaves her lipstick stain on a straw. Hello? Police? I want to report a weird guy. You want to share a drink with me?
Oh, of course, girl.
Wow, banana.
This is the best taping I've ever had. Oh my god, you can feel the woody essence of the tea.